Hey YouTube, Cape Cod. I'm gonna end up selling seat and seal grinder for valve trains for the cylinder heads. This is a Sioux. It's got all the pilot tools and stone holders, stones, some valve lappers for polishing the valves and seals, seats, and some grinding tools with some pilots and stuff. These are the pilots that go with it. Also got this Craftsman valve seat polisher, and I have a Van Dorn in the wooden box. These are all the drawers that go with it, the pilots and stuff, and the stone holder and all the stones. And then I have the matching stone dressers. These are diamond tip. This one is the Sioux. And this is the Van Dorn. I know the lighting's not that good in here. Everything works. And I got a kwik-way valve grinder, refacing machine that I'll do a video on also. Cape Cod Cuda signing out. I just wanted to shoot a real quick video of this stuff because I'm going to be trying to sell it. This is the kwik-way valve refacing grinder. It's got a new belt here. The other belt was a staple leather belt. When I loaded it in the machine, in the truck I mean, the bottom belt had fell off. I put it back on. It's got this little tensioner right here. I put it back on, and then I thought, hey, I'll take it off and buy a new one because I know it was kind of dry and old. When I went to go take it off this morning, it broke. I believe I can get it at the auto parts store for like $10, so I'm gonna go get one. It cleans the stems here, and you put the valve in this chuck, and it's got the stone right here, and it's got all the angles and stuff like that to clean them. And here's the stand for it. It's in nice condition. It's got storage in the back. You put all your attachments, and I got the valve seat, valve stem clamp for the removal and installation. So you can put the keepers in there and the springs and all that stuff. Again, I'm taking this video because I'm going to end up selling this stuff, so I thought it'd be cool to share. Maybe one of my viewers would be interested in this stuff. So I'm going to go pick up this belt right now and install it, and then I'll probably end up shooting a video showing you it running and stuff, and I'll probably plug in the other two seat and seal grinders and show you that they work and everything like that. All this stuff came out of a guy I know races, used to race motorcycles, and he had this stuff to do his own machine work and stuff like that, and he has a little machine shop at his house. So this was a private use, hobbyist stuff, and I'm gonna end up selling it. Cape Carcuda signing out. Thanks for watching.